Children, we are doing question number 6 of practice at 3.3 arithmetic progressions. What is given in this? See, already given to us the sum of the first 55 terms means S55 is already given to us as 3300, and here in place of n we are writing 55, so n is 55. They are asking to find 28th term. 28th term means we have to put the value of n over there as 28. So let us start with what is given to us. We have been given S55 is equal to 3300. So first let us write the general term of Sn, that is n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We are given with S55. So in place of n, put 55, children. 2a plus 55 minus 1 into d. S55 is nothing but 3300 already given to us, and rest of the things check. 2a plus 54d, and from these two we can remove 2, children, common. So remove common 2, you will be left with a plus 27d, and 55 remove from there will come in the denominator to the left hand side. You are left with a plus 27d. If you cancel, 11 5s are 11 3 times, and again 5 60 times. Hence a plus 27d is equal to 60. You got your first equation. So how it is going to help us? See, let us take, they have asked to find the 28th term. So let us write first the general term of the Tn, that is T28 is equal to, in place of n, put 28, you will get a plus 27d, and from equation 1 the value of a plus 27d is 60. Hence you got your answer as T28 is equal to 60. So let us see the question number 9, what it says. If the 9th term of an AP is 0, means what all things are given to you. See, 9th term, that is T9 is given as 0, children. That is here n is 9 and the term T9 is 0, means the value of T9 is 0, and you have to prove that 29th term means T29 is means equal to twice, means 2 times 19th term means T19. So what is given, let us use that for further use. Now first of all, step 1, what to be done, let us see. When it is said T9 is equal to 0, let us take the general term a plus n minus 1 into d and find T9, that is a plus 9 minus 1 into d. The T9 value is already given to us as 0, will give us a plus 8d. So rearrange it, a plus 8d is equal to 0. This is the first thing, keep it with you, children, for further use. Now to prove that in that T19 and T29 are there, let us take one by one both, how they are going to help us. Let us see. Tn, again the general term, and in this general term Tn first find T29, that is A plus 29 minus 1 into D, that gives us A plus 28D. And in this A plus 28D, if we are going to put the value of A, what do you get? From here you can write A is equal to minus 8D. Is it so? So let us write in place of A minus 8D plus 28D. What it gives us? Minus 8 and plus 28 gives us 20D, and this can be written as, can we write it as 2 multiplied by 10D? Alright, let us keep it as with us. Now step 3, find T19 again, T19. So general term Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, that is T19 is equal to A plus 19 minus 1 into D, and T19 is equal to A plus 18D. In the similar manner, in place of A put minus 8D plus 18D, that gives us 10D. Now children, in equation 2, substitute equation 3, what you got, the value, substitute children. So step 4, T29 is equal to 2 multiplied by, in place of 10D you can write T19. What you have done? Substitute 3 in 2, and hence what you want you have proved. T29 is equal to 2T19. Alright, let us come to see question number 7, children. This is a bit different from the previous questions, that's why I did after the question number 9. What is given? See, 3 consecutive terms in an AP. So when it is said in an AP 3 consecutive terms, remember children, you have to assume them as A minus D, A plus D, A, and so on. So when you say 3 consecutive terms, we have to assume as A minus D, A, and A plus D. This sequence not to change, so let us assume then that the 3 consecutive terms are A minus D, A, and A plus D. What is the condition given now? Let us see children. The condition 1 is given as, is 27. Sum of the 3 consecutive terms means when you add them, sum means addition. When you add them, you are getting 27, and their product is 504. That is the second condition, children. So first let us see the first condition, solve it. You will get A as 9. Let us keep it with us. Now what the condition 2 says? The second condition is given as the product. Product means multiplication, children. Multiplication of these 3 consecutive terms gives you 504. Arrange it in a manner where you are going to get your algebraic identity. A minus b into a plus b gives you a square minus b square, and here put the value of a as 9. So 9 the square minus d square multiplied by 9. So 9 the square is 81. The 9 is being multiplied over here. Take it to the other side, becomes division. You will get 56. 9 5 are 45, 9 6 are 54. And 81 minus 54 will give you positive d square. And therefore, d square is equal to 25. Hence, d is equal to plus minus square root of 25. That gives you plus minus 5. Children, see here, d will have two values. One positive 5 and the other one is negative 5. And while solving, we are going to take both. First, we will take when d is positive 5. When the d is positive 5, then what are the terms? We have to find the values of the terms, children. Therefore, the required terms are, the first one is a minus d, that is what you got a as, you have to put the value of a as 9 minus d is 5, and the second term a as it is, and the third term a plus d is again 9 plus 5, that is 14. So you will get it as 4, 9 and 14. Fine. And this is a case 1, children. Case 1. Now case 2, when you are having d as negative 5. When you are having d is equal to negative 5. So what do you get? The required terms are, here a plus d, a, and no, again not a plus d, it is a minus d. In the sequence only, always you should take a and a plus d. A minus d means 9 minus of minus 5, and here 9 plus of minus 5. Solve it. 9 plus 5, that gives you 14, and here 9 minus 5, that gives you 4. So you have your three terms as 14, 9 and 4. So you have to show both, children.